start demonstrating a very simple and interesting experiment. Here I've taken a saucer, and on the saucer I will require some colored water. So I'm pouring down some colored water onto it. You can use colorless water as well, but that will be difficult when you want to make an observation. But on using colored water, your observation will be very vivid. Now I put a candle at the center of the saucer and I'm trying to light the candle. Now that the candle is lit, I will invert a glass tumbler over it. Let the candle glow a little brighter, and then I will cover it with a glass tumbler. So here it goes. You got to watch it very intently to see the changes. Here I am bringing the tumbler. You must have seen the changes happening. Now I take it closer to the experimental setup for you to view it even more carefully. You can well see that there is a rise in the level of water inside the inverted glass tumbler. What is the reason behind it? The process of combustion uses oxygen, and this tumbler was filled with air, or any open space is filled with air. On the other hand, air contains 21% of oxygen. So if you try measuring the volume of water that has been sunk into that glass vessel, it will indeed confirm that it has only entered to an extent of 1/5 of the volume of that inverted container. For this, you can take out that colored water into a measuring cylinder, and you can then pour water into the same glass tumbler fully and again measure that volume of water. So the colored water will only be 1/5 of the total volume of the water, or slightly more than 1/5, because 1/5 is 20%, while oxygen is 21% approximately. Thank you for watching. If you find it interesting, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Then I will come up on a weekly basis with small experiments which will be interesting for you. If you still haven't performed any experiment by yourself, please do try it once right today. I am sure that you will like it. Thank you for watching.